Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is September weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Leo or Pisces or Cancer here. So under the deck, Ace of Swords, Eight of Wands, Strength, and Wheel of Fortune. Things will turn into your favor, Virgo. And for some, divine timing is the key here. And you want to be in this energy, emotionally very, very stable. Yeah. And lots of communication is coming. Someone wants to communicate with you, and some change is coming very fastly here. And Ace of Swords, yeah, communication with clarity, some truth coming out, some clarity is coming in, Virgo. So let's say we're reading recent past, Five of Cups, Knight of Wands, and the Empress. So in recent past, I think your person is very passionate about you, but they're always in and out of your life because knights always come and go. There are some issues between you and your person because Five of Cups, you're feeling sad, maybe some disturbances, some fighting, some arguments, but you want emotionally stable here because the Empress, you're trying to be emotionally stable, but it is very difficult for you. Then present the Moon, Four of Swords, and Ace of Wands. Lot of issues, you're feeling stuck, and lot of trust issues, illusions between you and your person. So you want to take off from the situation here. You're taking rest. You're healing here. Four of Swords energy, and Ace of Wands. New beginnings again after this healing. There are new beginnings for you, especially in career wise or in relationship wise. Also new beginnings, new opportunities in career. Then future, the Sun, King of Pentacles, and the Chariot. So definitely in future, a positive shift is coming, a big happiness is coming towards you, Virgo. And King of Pentacles, I think you are working towards your career, towards your abundance here. And Chariot, forward movement, but it is slow. Maybe in past you feeling stuck here, but it is a forward movement. Yeah, even though it is slow, at least there is a movement. You are trying to come out of this energy here. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, then we will get more clarity. Maybe you're dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions, Virgo. And their intentions. You both are very attracted to each other here. A lot of passion. Yeah. Two of Cups under the deck. Ace of Wands. Four of Pentacles and Knight of Swords. They're rushing to communicate with you. Maybe in past they are having hard time to express their feelings, but now they're going to express, and they want passionate new beginnings. Definitely new beginnings, guys. And this is mutual. Two of Cups. This is mutual and equal love between you and your person. And their current feelings, Wheel of Fortune, King of Cups and Knight of Cups. So if they did hurt you in past, now they want to say apology to you, and they want to come back with love offer here. They want to offer their cup of love to you. And for some, they are waiting for divine timing, or they're waiting for right time to approach you, because Wheel of Fortune is here. And their intentions, Knight of Wands, Four of Cups and Nine of Cups. Yes, you both are very attracted to each other, or you both are very passionate about each other. Four of Cups, definitely they are missing you. They're feeling alone without you here, and they're wishing for this connection. You are their wish fulfillment, Virgo. They're wishing, they're praying for this connection. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, apology text. They are manifesting you. Yeah, under the deck, lovers. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. There is love. Yeah, they're missing you a lot here, Virgo. Yeah, lots of communication is coming. In past, they are guarded up, but now they're ready to communicate with you. And for some, they are manifesting you. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Temperance. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius here. I think you are balancing things in your life, especially within yourself, Virgo. Yeah, you're taking your power back here. And there is some transformation. Maybe you're dealing with Virgo here. Yeah, you are going through some transformation, wish fulfillment. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. There is love. You both thinking about each other a lot, but you both are not expressing here. Four of Pentacles holding back here, but they're coming here. You are focusing on your money, you're focusing on your abundance here, Virgo. Yeah, marriage is involved in this connection, definitely. For some, you both are going to be married, or for some, marriage is also involved in this connection. Some cycles are going to be end very soon, and some new cycles are going to be begin. And some of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Virgo. All I want is you. Second chance. Friendship. For some, you both are very good best friends. For some, maybe your person putting you in friends zone. So all I want is you, second chance, and friendship are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra energy. Yeah, for some, there will be a new romantic cycle is going to be begin. Communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Yes, lots of communication is coming, and communication is key. Gemini energy. And under the deck, the answers you need are coming again Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.